Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know what we cooking today? We're cooking some spaghettis. But not just any spaghettis, we're cooking Big Daddy's spaghettis. And we're going to show you how to do it in 30 minutes. Let's get it. Here's some of the famous ingredients that I'm going to make my spaghettis with. I got 1 pound of ground meat. I got some andouille sausage, some sweet Italian sausage. That's my sausage. I already cut up a few crawfish tails I'm going to put in there. And then I got some onion, bell pepper cut up to 3 different colors. There's my seasonings, and I'm going to use some olive oil, tomato paste, tomato sauce, and 3 cups of water. Let's get it. Alright, now I'm going to put my ground meat in. And we'll make sure we break that down and kind of get it flat in your skillet. Alright, let's cover that up. And now I'm going to add my sweet Italian also to the skillet with my ground meat. Let's top that off and let's see it brown, okay, baby? Alright, let's get this fire going on this one. I'm going to add a little olive oil just to saute my vegetables in. Alright, let's put the top on that. Let those saute down. Alright, let's stir these vegetables up a little bit. And you hear them in that snack crackling, popping. Alright, let's take a look at this ground meat and sweet Italian. I always like to keep turning my meat so it don't get clumpy or have the big lumps in it. I kind of press all the lumps out or chop them up, if you want to say that. Oh yeah, baby. It's coming along just fine. Okay, let's take a look at the ground meat and Italian, sweet Italian sausage here. It's coming along just fine. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, let's look at our vegetables. Oh yeah, it smells so great. I'll let them saute a little bit more, and then I'm going to add my andouille sausage to it. Now that I have my sweet Italian sausage and ground meat brown where I want it, oh my God, we're going to drain it. Let that drain right there, baby. Now that this is draining, I'm going to switch burners with my veggies there. Put them on the bigger burner there. I'm going to add my andouille sausage to it. Let that cook down. Stir it up a little bit. Turn it down a little bit. Alright. Now that my meat is draining and this is sizzling, Let it cook down some more. We can put our Italian sausage and ground meat in our big pot right here. I'm going to add my tomato sauce and my tomato paste to my sweet Italian sausage and ground meat. Let's add 3 cups of water. Stir it up a little bit. We'll get that burner going. Put them on medium. Oh yeah, baby. Now I got my sausage and my veggies where I want them. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. Let's add them to our sweet Italian and our ground beef. I'm going to stir it up. Let's switch to a bigger burner. Look at those colors on there. Oh my God, it's going to be amazing. Let's put the top on it and bring it to a boil. Once it's at a boil, then we're going to add our seasoning to it and our crawfish tails. Now I got my water back here in the background boiling for my noodles. Put a little salt in there. Alright, let's see what we're working right. Oh my God, look at this. Oh yeah, so we got it at a boil. We're going to add 2 more cups of water to it. 2 cups of water, and let's start adding our seasoning. So I'm going to do some black pepper, some Tony Chachere, a little of this honey garlic, some accent, some regular garlic powder, I always like to add some sugar to it also, just a little bit, about 1/4 of a cup. Right, let's stir it up. And you can always season it to taste. Oh my God. Let's add that little crawfish tails. When I mean little, I mean little. Now that's what I'm talking about, folks. Look at that. Oh my God. Alright, now that our water is boiling, we're going to get ready to add our noodles. And I use a thin noodles, so I like to grab some in my hand, and what I do is I just break them in half, like that, drop them in the water. You can take them out of the box like that, get about halfway, bring them, and drop them. Yes, sir. Already added salt to my boiling water, like I said earlier. So we'll bring it back to a boil. When you want to boil your noodles, I like mine called al dente. That means firm in the center if you're Italian. put that top back on. And I like to rotate my spaghettis around, make sure they don't stick together with this spaghetti puller, I call it. Alright, let's take a look at these noodles. They got a good boil going here. They almost where I want them. My wife say they ready if you throw them and they stick against the wall. Whatever. I don't try that. Oh, that's hot. Put that top back on. Now my noodles are good and drained. Smoking hot, baby. And that's the finishing product. Big Daddy did it again. Oh my God. Oh! Man, thank you for watching Big Daddy's cooking show. You make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Last but not least, peace.